Step 1. Create your story title. Open chat.openai.com in your browser. Type, "Create a catchy story title for my African Tales YouTube channel." Choose your favorite topic from the list of suggestions. For example, I chose The Brave Hunter and the Lion. Copy and paste your chosen title or topic into the chat box. Below the title, type "Generate an African folktale" using the title or topic above. When asked, "Would you like me to turn this tale into a short YouTube script?" reply, "Yes, turn this tale into a short YouTube script." Then type, "Make the script a bit more cinematic." Step 2. Generate story scene images. Scroll up and copy the narrator's voice for scene 1. Scroll down and paste it into the chat box. Below the pasted narrator's voice, type, "Generate a picture for the above scene with the ratio of 16:9. Wait for the image to load, then click on it and select the download button at the top right corner. Repeat the same steps for scene 2 and all the other scenes. Tip: you can make the process faster by typing "From scene 1 to 7, make a prompt to generate images for each scene." Step 3. Generate narration audio. Go to Google and search Google AI Studio. Click on the first link. Select Generate Native Speech with Gemini. On the right side, choose Single Speaker Audio. Under Voice Settings, choose the voice you like. Copy the narrator's voice for Scene 1 from the story. Paste it into the Google AI Studio text box and click Run Control. Wait for the voice to be generated. Click on the options icon next to the generated audio and download it.
Repeat this process for all scenes.
Step 4. Edit the story with CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC or visit CapCut.com. Create a new project. Click Import from the media icon and upload all the voice files. Add the audios to the timeline one by one using the plus icon. Drag and arrange them on the timeline in the correct order. Import all the scene images. Drag the images to the cover timeline. Adjust the length of each image to match its corresponding audio scene.
Step 5. Add captions. Click on Captions in the top left corner. Click Generate. The default language is English. The captions will appear in red on top of the timeline. On the top right corner, choose a caption template to style your text. You can also resize and adjust the captions as needed.
Step 6. Export your video. When everything is done, click Export. Choose the folder where you want to save the video. Select a resolution. 720p is recommended. Finally, click Export to save your African folktale video. Done! You have successfully created your African folktale story video.
In the time when the moon still spoke to the rivers, there lived a young hunter named Kweku. He was not the strongest man in the village.
Kweku, no one who faces the lion comes back. Kweku, steady voice. Then it is time someone does.
He walked alone, and strikes not at the chest, but at the tail, pinning it. You are not only brave, you are wise. I will trouble your people. Ooh, he faced the lion! Elders lift him onto their shoulders of the brave.
Hey fam! Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ActTech. Your support means a lot. It helps the channel grow and reach more people. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos.